Welcome to HiExchange, an online platform to exchange your cryptocurrencies and digital currencies. In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to use our exciting PayPal Invoice service. This is for the times when you do not have a PayPal account available, but you need to pay for something with PayPal. As you can see, we have used Tether TRC20 to pay for the transaction, but there are other options available. On the second step, you will have a section for the invoice link. Here, you type the address for the website you want to make the payment for. After that, you type in your username and password, and on the email address section, you type in your email address. With the information, our team will actually go to the website and make the payment on your behalf. Your phone number is optional, but there are benefits for those who sign up on HiExchange. Click on Exchange to head to the third step, where you can see how much you send and how much you receive, as well as the gateway fee. Complete the CAPTCHA and you'll head to the last step. On this step, you have every single information regarding your transaction. You get an order status, you get our terms of service. Please dedicate some time to read them. You will also obtain a track ID to follow up on your transaction later on. Further down, you will have HiExchange's Tether wallet address. You make the Tether payment to this address, and when you have done that, you take a screenshot and upload the screenshot on this section. Click on I agree to terms, and you're pretty much good to go. When you have made the payment and uploaded the screenshot, you click on pay order, and you will also see at which stage your transaction is. Thank you for choosing HiExchange. You can read all about this transaction on HiExchange Blog.